What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman back to do another beard product review. Today we're going to take a look at Bossman beard jelly. So stay tuned. Hey guys, we are back. If you are new to my channel, I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do hiking videos, gear reviews, beard product reviews, some tutorials. So make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and check back for more content. So today we are going to take a look at Bossman beard jelly. All right, if you've never heard of this, we're gonna go through it. This is one, I bought one of the 4 scents that they carry. They carry 4 scents: Magic, Stagecoach, Gold, and Hammer. This is Stagecoach. All right, so before we get into anything else, this is a 4-ounce bottle. All right, so the ingredients on this are shea butter, avocado oil, cocoa seed butter, soybean oil, beeswax, castor seed oil, sunflower seed oil, tocopherol, capric triglycerides. That is what is in this jelly. The scent profile on Stagecoach is, according to their website, if the most interesting man in the world were a cowboy, his beard would beg for Stagecoach. This Texas-sized blend of rugged leather, sweet tobacco, and aged bourbon will make your beard look and smell like a gentleman as you belly up to any saloon. Saddle not required. So, that's according to their website. Now for me, I definitely get the leather, and I get a little hint of the tobacco, but not much of the bourbon until I apply it. Now, as you can see, if you've never seen beard jelly before, that is it. And this is the best part about the beard jelly. It doesn't go anywhere. So that is the consistency. It is thick. I already got some in my beard, but we'll add a little bit more. Now for this, it's kind of a mix of an oil and a balm. All right, so for me, I apply it all throughout. I don't want it just on the outside. I don't want it just on the inside. I want it all over. For me, I've been using this for a little over a week. And personally, to me, this is a great product for a nighttime routine. Perfect product to put in your beard, go to bed. The scent on this, I put this in at night. I wake up in the morning and I still smell the leather and the tobacco and the bourbon. I still smell it when I wake up in the morning. So the scent will last all night long. And it's good during the day, but it doesn't have much hold property. So it would be for me for a day that I'm gonna hang around the house, which is not many days. So to me, personally, I use this, I see a better use for it at night than I do applying in the morning. But either way, it's a really good smell. My wife loves the scent. All right, so right now this 4-ounce container is available both on their website and on Amazon for less than $15. So you can't beat that price, especially if you want to use it like I'm going to start using it only at night. I've been using this both in the morning and at night just to get a good feel for it before doing this review. But I'm gonna transition over to only using it at night before going to bed. And it's amazing. So definitely give them a look. I'll drop links in the description below for both their website and Amazon. But this is a definite rebuy for me. I will buy it. I will make sure I have some of this on hand, and I enjoy it. Like I said, I'm not going to be using this during the day. This is going to be a nighttime thing for me, just to kind of help keep my beard hydrated and moisturize at night while I'm sleeping. All right, guys, there you have it. Bossman beard jelly. If you have any questions, drop me a comment below. Make sure to hit that like, make sure to hit subscribe, And stay tuned for more content. As always, from the Bearded Outdoorsman, have a good one, and God bless.